Hi, and welcome to Michelle Creations. We are doing a Beebeecraft haul today. So I have several different items. I'm going to start with this one because I forgot to write it down and I don't remember how much it cost. This is a set for holding earrings on display like we used in one of our videos. And I'll put the price here on the screen for you. But it comes with a base and then this piece here that hooks into the base. And there's 3 sets of these. This is the tallest of the 3. And then they get a couple of them that are a little bit shorter. And again, I apologize. I didn't write the dollar price of that one down. The second thing that we got is this is a 100 piece. And these are 8 by 7 centimeters. And they are just cellophane bags, and they're self-sealing. It's got a piece of tape on that to cover the sticky. You peel that off, and then you can fold it over and adhere it to itself. This is what I put all of my keychains in, and my necklaces, and my earring sets when I mail those out. We got a set of shaker molds. This was $2.33. And it comes with this really cute potion one with the heart in it. And then obviously the shaker portion would be this piece here. We have this one, the shaker portion is there. And then we have this not only in this shape, but we have the heart and the star on the top as well. So those will be super cute. I got this set of flat back cabochon. I'm not sure what those are called. You hold cabochons. There are 10 of these in there. They are 10 millimeters, and I paid 94 cents for them. They're pretty small. You really need to pay attention to the sizes on this stuff that you buy because things can end up being a lot smaller than you thought. Note to self. There's a really pretty chain. I paid $1.51, and it's a super fine chain, but it's very pretty. It's very elegant. It's daintier than I typically would wear. But it's really, really pretty. So we have that. And obviously, I would cut these down and use it to the appropriate size length that you want for necklaces or whatever. So this is a set of freshwater shell beads. They were $2.73. There are 5 strands in here. And they're really long strands with a whole lot of beads on each strand. So there's the end of it. And that's a single strand of those. And I have, what did I say, 5 of those? Yeah. I have 4 of these. They are Tiger's Eye double layer bracelets. They're super pretty. Let me take one out here. These were a set of 4. And then you just hook them together here on the end. Now, you can buy these and give them as gifts just like they are. You can take them apart and use the beads and the pieces that are part of it. You know, it's yours to do whatever you want to with, but they're really pretty. I got 4 of these. And again, those were $7.29. Now these, there were 25 of these in this packet, and they were $12.06 a piece. And these are just, again, you can use them as they are, or you can take them apart and use the pieces. It's really pretty. And they come in all different kinds of colors. So there's pink. There's this greenish color with some natural brown and purpley looking ones. These look more like an orange stone. And then we have some more pink and some more of the brown. Some more of those. And then the last color is this really pretty purple. There's the purple. Love that. That is so pretty. So we got 25 of those. Lots of them. And this is a set of 20 faux suede tassels, and I got them in red. I wanted to see what size they were before I ordered any more. But they're really good size. These will be great on the keychains that I make. So we have those. And then I have, these are leather necklaces. There's 10 pieces in there, and they were $3.09, and they're a variety of colors. You got a white, you got brown, you got black, and they all come individually wrapped. We've got these. This is plastic candy sequins, just almost like they just shredded a sheet of sequin, pink sequin, and then you get all these really pretty little sparkle pieces. Those were $1.59. The last part of this order, now this order I paid for. Obviously, it's more than just a couple of things. So this one I bought everything while it was on clearance or on sale. I think I paid $30. I'll put the price up here, what I paid for all of this. And this is the last piece of this. There's a bunch of cork tops you saw. If you saw my video, and I'll put a picture here where I made these into almost little aquariums. We put sand in the bottom, and then I filled it with blue resin, and we put little fish and little seaweeds in there. And then I used the cork tops and then put an eye screw in the top, and we could hang it from keychains or necklaces. There are 100 pieces. These are all glass. There's 100 of them. They're 9 millimeters or milliliters or 0.3 ounces. And they're $23.59. And again, I did not pay that. I got them on sale. Now, keep in mind, these do not come from the US. These get shipped from overseas. So, try and do this without breaking anything. There are a couple of them. Here's one here that's broken half. And I think I had one more right here that's broke. I had 2 out of 100 that got broke. So, that's pretty good odds. Coming from clear across the sea. Clear across the pond. And then, like I said, these are the cork tops that come with those. So this was all one order. And then because I do these videos for Beebeecraft, anybody that is interested, you can sign up for that. And I'll give you some more details on that here in just a moment. But the things that I got for free were this one. And I think this is the one that we're going to do today. And this is 134 pieces, and it retails for $10.42. And it is a keychain, and it comes with the bar that you can put all of these different pieces on. So we've got these really pretty beads here, and you've got these white and pink beads here, and these really pretty tassels. And then these are the toppers, the jump rings, and the keychain piece of it. So I think we're going to go ahead and we're going to put these together here in just shortly. But that was one of the 4 pieces that I got. And then these are a set of molds. And these are $18.52 is what they retail for. So we have measuring cups. I have pipettes. I think that's how that... These are hard plastic. That's interesting. And you have these little finger covers. Instead of full gloves, you have those. We have this really cute little jar. Uh-oh. Oh, that comes off. Okay. So we'll make some of these, obviously. Some of these are out of... I don't know how that's going to work. These may not turn out so good. Maybe if I put them out, warm them up, and then put them out. The idea is great. If they can get them straightened out, these will be really pretty. But this goes with this base. So it'll set like this. Okay. And then this one looks like a little egg. It is an egg. And they'll go together this way. It's pretty cute. They're pretty thin. They're pretty flimsy. So we'll have to wait and see what how these hold up and how they do. That'll be interesting to find out. And I got some more of, these are 120 pieces and they retail for $8.46. And these are just simply flat back bales in all different shapes and sizes. And they're in silver. So I have gold ones, but now I have silver. These were in the portion that I purchased. These were not in the freebies that they sent me. But these are silicone beads. There's 100 pieces in here and they retail for $8.07. And they're beautiful. They're really, really pretty. And then I got these little pieces here. They are 18 karat gold plated. There are 5 pieces and they were $2.65. And they're like little pendants, open back pendants. And you can put resin in them or whatever you want to. So we'll make something out of those. And then last but not least, we have 20 pieces. These were $2.60. And these are miniature glass wishing bottles. And they're really tiny. So it's kind of like our bigger ones here, except for these are only this tall. They're super cute. They're really, really tiny. So, and I'll put a link for all of this stuff down in the description below so that you can find it. I'm going to clean up this mess and I'm going to show you what we're going to make today. And I'll go over how you can get some of these items for free. All right, so I have all of my beaded pieces out and we have the bar. And this, just simply one end of it unscrews. Just like that. So this will be our top of our piece. So let's put, I went ahead and added a couple of these little pieces, 3 of them actually, to the top of one of our tassels. And I'm going to add that. Yeah, I'll add that to the top. And then let's put one of these little spacer beads in there. Like so. And then let's put the striped one on there. And another bead, spacer. And we'll put the heart bead. These are nice. These are hard plastic. So they're really nice. And another spacer. I don't know what these are called. I'm not a bead person, so somebody out there's probably telling me that's not what that's called. Sorry. I don't know. This one's kind of cute. It's almost like a little marble. And they got room for one more, I think. I think I can get it to fit. And then very carefully hold it all together. There we go. And then we'll put this one back on the end of it. Find the hole. And just screw it on there. And just like that, there we go. Now, they did give these little lobster claws, but I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take and I'm going to add one of these onto the end of it. Because I just think this is going to hold up a little bit better. There's a little hole on the end of our bead there, or the end of our rod. Just going to feed that through there. And clasp it shut. And there we go. That's super cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I kind of see why they did just the lobster claw, because now I've got all this empty space here. I'll probably end up moving that up higher to make it look a little more, a little better. I don't know. What do you think? Do I leave it down low? Do I just put the lobster claw on it and quit being a pain in the tail? Hey, we'll just switch it out and I'll see what it looks like. While I'm doing that, if you are interested in free products from Beebeecraft, you can definitely get that. It's super easy to do. All you have to do is have at least 100 subscribers to your channel. So this is fantastic for new YouTubers, folks that maybe don't have a big following yet, but this is still a great way to get free products from somebody to help you build your channel. So like I said, all you have to do, you have to have is 100 followers. And then if you're interested, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. I don't make anything off of this. I get free products for doing these videos and showing you products that you can potentially get to help build your YouTube channel. So don't think I'm doing this just so that I can get paid for their stuff, because I don't earn a commission off of it. I just get lots of really cool free stuff just like you can. So feed that through there. Once you make a video, once you get your products, they ask that you do an unveiling or an unboxing video showing them what you got. And then you have to post a couple of videos and then send them the links for those videos within, I think it's within a 3-month time frame. You got lots of time to do it. And then once that is over and you've fulfilled your duties for that last boxing, you can submit and get some more free products. So it's pretty cool. It's a really neat program. I don't know. What do you think? Do you like the traditional big round keychain on it or just the little lobster claw? Either way, they're super cute. Absolutely adorable. This would be good as a keychain, or you could put it on a purse for purse decorations, backpacks, whatever you wanted to. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you got some inspiration. Maybe you found something that you might like to get. The products costs are extremely inexpensive. Do keep in mind that it comes from overseas, so it can sometimes take just a little while to get here. But other than that, it's it's a lot of fun. The website, they have so much stuff on there to look through. And like I said, if you're a new YouTuber or heck, even somebody that just would like to get some free products, go down below, sign up for it, show some products out there on your YouTube channel, and you can get products for free as well. So thanks again for joining us. Had a great time, and I hope you did too, and we will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.